Hi dear Gemini. Hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. And if you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Hmm. Gemini, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, the star. Somebody is feeling quite optimistic and positive in this direction. Okay, even if things are not going your way right now at this present moment, someone is quite positive and hopeful that things will turn out to be positive. Okay, let's clarify the star. We have the Ten of Cups, the Hanged Man, and the Moon card. It's like, okay, see, someone is scared to see the future direction of the situation. Someone is quite optimistic and positive that this situation has the potential to become something really beautiful. And this person feels like surrendering to the divine for whatever is going to happen. And they are in this energy of, okay, whatever is going to happen for my highest good. But there are lots of fears. There are lots of fears, there are lots of ifs and buts, and there's a lot of confusion in the situation from this person's side. But at the same time, this person is quite optimistic and positive that whatever is going to happen is actually going to happen for the best for both of you, for the highest good of for the highest good of both of you in the situation. This person is quite optimistic about the future direction of the situation, even if they're scared that it might not work out. So it's kind of a risky kind of a thing that they are taking. They're kind of taking some kind of risk in this direction between you and them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Let's see what's happening. Seven of Pentacles. You are in this waiting and watching mode. It's like you are in this energy of re-evaluating the situation from a distance, taking a step back, watching the situation from a distance, and understanding what's coming, what's happening from a distance. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Six of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the King of Cups. Yeah. Okay. What is happening here is you both of you are confused about the future direction of the situation, and both of you are quite optimistic that it is going to work out. At the same time, both of you are not able to understand where you guys stand in this connection as a team. There is love, there is hope, there is optimism, there is positivity, but at the same time there's a lot of fear, a lot of confusion, and a lot of this energy of, okay, let's wait and watch and let's see where things can land in the situation. Yeah, there's a lot of confusion going on around the situation. For some of it's kind of a mixed signal, kind of a deal that both of you are giving to each other, and both of you are quite optimistic that yeah, it is going to work out, but at the same time not sure if it is going to really work out or not. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Page of Pentacles, okay? This person wants to keep it casual or keep it cool or keep it calm. They're trying. They just want to try to keep the situation calm and casual and composed. I'm sorry about the dogs barking in the background. I can't do anything about it. It's just their job, okay? They're also living beings, so yeah, let them do their job. Stop, honey. Stop. Hmm. Yeah, this person wants to enjoy the situation. This person wants to make a solid connection between you and them. I think you guys have a connection. You guys have a lot of memories together. Just give me a second. Yeah, so either you guys have memories together. You guys were friends before this, or you guys had a connection at some point of time, but things didn't work out. Now this person feels like keeping it calm, keeping it casual, keeping it happy go lucky, and taking it slowly but surely, taking making it slow and steady kind of a deal, happy go lucky kind of a situation. Yeah, this person definitely wants to have a brand new beginning in this situation. If it is a uh, like known person to you, or if it is if it is a new person, this person wants to develop a connection with you, a soulmate kind of dynamic with you, slowly but surely, keeping it calm and casual, by keeping it calm and casual and happy go lucky. That's really cool. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Let's see what's happening. Chariot in reverse, you want to take it really very very slow. You don't want to rush, you don't want to be in this energy of let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. You want to take it slow. It's like you're determined to take things very very slow this time. Okay, let's clarify the chariot in reverse. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, see, you want to have a collaboration and partnership. You want to enjoy the connection, but at the same time, you don't want to lose your independence. You don't want to lose this sense of independence. Okay, and you are in this energy of okay, taking care of yourself as well, taking care of other energies as well. At the same time, not losing your independence, not losing your individuality, and working on your money, job, career as well, side by side. It's like you are your number one priority right now at this present moment. Along with you, you are ready to take other people, other situations as well, along with you. Okay, because you don't want to create any kind of drama or chaos or conflict anymore in your life. So you want to take it really very slow, and don't want to lose your individuality no matter what. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 18th of August. What could happen, what can come out of this? Page of Swords, I do see communication happening. I do see a distance between you guys. At the same time, I do see communication happening. It's not going to be like a flow of communication. Both of you are watching each other on social media, stalking each other, getting to know each other better, but I don't see a lot happening, to be honest. Let me clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, you guys are going to be in this energy of dilemma, in this energy of confusion. So you guys are not going to talk much or say much to each other. Both of you are going to be like okay, behaving like a closed book to each other, but both of you will be watching each other from a distance. It's like communication is going to be there. I don't say that like there will be no communication at all, but it's going to be on and off, in and out kind of a communication. But both of you are going to be like okay, closed books kind of a deal. um, and both of you are going to be like okay, let's take it slow, let's take it one day at a time, and let's see where things can go in the situation, because both of you are very very scared about the future outcome of the situation. So you guys are going to be like okay, let's do it as slow as possible so that we are not going to land up in any kind of bullshit again, or any kind of negativity again, or negative kind of outcome again, because both of you are scared. You guys are not able to open up to each other. It's going to be very slow and steady kind of a deal. Yeah, let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Gemini. We have the Tower, the Five of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles. First of all, you have to work on this energy of feeling like a victim when it comes to love and relationship area. Gemini, you might be feeling like you are not able to find true love, or you don't deserve true love, or love is not meant for you, or no matter what you are going to do, or no matter how much time you are going to spend on love and relationship, you will never be able to find somebody who's going to put in the effort and energy as you do. It's a limiting belief. All you have to do is have to take care of yourself, like self love, self care, self healing, to that extent of you don't even want another energy to be with you to complete you. Once you are going to be complete in yourself, you are going to automatically attract that kind of energies towards you that's meant for you, that's actually good for you. So basically it's lack of self love, self care, and self healing that is giving you this vibe that love is not meant for me, relationship is not meant for me. I am unlucky, I am destined to be lonely, I'm destined to be like this, I'm whatever limiting beliefs you have to work on this. Work on your heart chakra as much as you can, Gemini. Okay, put in the effort and energy to open up your heart chakra, balance your heart chakra, and do whatever you can from your side in order to remove this limiting belief of yours that love is not for you. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. Okay, you deserve love. You deserve love. You deserve good things, and you deserve this good energy in your life. Everybody deserves it, including you and me and everyone, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.